here at the 2010 OneMedForum in San Francisco. I'm now joined by Michael Fonstein, the CEO of Cleveland BioLabs. Michael, thank you very much for joining us.
Oh, thank you. It's an opportunity.
My pleasure. I think the best way to start is probably just a brief overview of Cleveland BioLabs.
Cleveland BioLabs is a company which develops two types of drugs: anti-cancer drugs, curexins, and anti-radiation drugs, protectants. And radiation comes in two shapes and colors. One is a threat, and it leads to our defense program, and also is the most potent anti-cancer drug. And that's where our protectants in cancer come into play.
So let's talk about these two different platform technologies. Can you differentiate for us the difference between these curexins and protectants?
Yeah, basically it's a great question because they all stem from the same basic concept: controlled cell death of apoptosis. What our drugs do, they wake up sleeping apoptosis in cancer cells, and this leads to curexins, and we develop them to kill cancer. And protectants temporarily shut down apoptosis in hypersensitive tissues of our body, this way increasing tolerance of our organism to radiation.
Okay. What would you say makes Cleveland BioLabs unique among other biotechnology stocks?
There are a few things. One is CBLI is based on 20 years of very, very advanced and unique science initiated by our scientific founder, Andrei Gudkov, who is right now head of research at Roosevelt Park Cancer Institute. And second thing, that our research has been recognized as highly promising by multiple federal funding agencies, and we were able to bring to each dollar of investment money about $1 of governmental funding. So 50 million on one side and 50 million on another side. And the third most important thing, that because of accelerated nature of development of radiation antidote, we are not very far from final approval. We may be within 1 year before we'll start filing BLA.
Fantastic. Well, coming back to that, both with the trials for your two protectants and curexins, from an investor standpoint, what kind of major milestones and inflection points can we expect to see in the remainder of 2010?
We just started our second trial in humans in our protectant for defense label. And within less than half a year, we will be releasing result of this trial. This is one very important technical milestone. Another milestone is on clinical or medical development. We are starting head and neck cancer trial with protectants within the first quarter of 2010. So this is second event, which is highly relevant to investors. And on the business side, we believe there will be serious committing statements from various funding agencies leading to acquisition of doses of the drug. Probably will happen within the next 6 to 12 months.
Fantastic. Michael, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Again, that was Cleveland BioLabs. For more information, they trade under the symbol CBLI. You can find them online at cbiolabs.com. Also, there's more information at OneMedPlace.com.